Hi friends, today we're going to make breakfast with bread popcorn. This is Zina Abdul Majid and welcome to my channel, The Salt and Buttery. Firstly, I'm going to take 6 slices of white bread. I'm going to cut these slices into small bite-sized pieces. I'm going to dry roast these bread pieces. I've heated a pan and dropped in all my bread pieces in it. Dry roast it until it becomes crispy and set it aside. Take another pan and drop in 3 tablespoons of sugar. It is granulated sugar. 1 tablespoon of water. Leave it as it is until lightly golden brown. Now you can add on 1 tablespoon of salted butter and 3 tablespoons of milk. Keep stirring until all the sugar crystals are dissolved and it becomes a nice golden brown color. Keep in mind that while making caramel, don't leave the sugar syrup unattended. I'm sure you don't want to take a risk of burning it. Then you can add all the crispy dry roasted bread pieces in the caramel. Stir well until all the caramel is coated well into the bread pieces. And now you can turn out the flame. Now you can transfer these caramel coated bread pieces on a parchment paper so that it doesn't stick to each other and let it cool. You can serve this as breakfast with fresh pineapple juice or any fresh juice of your choice, or even a cup of hot milk. I hope you would definitely try out this recipe, and please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye for now.